Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Retrieving a Main Dictionary Backup, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily pull a copy of your main dictionary from any location on your computer. Whether that backup is on a location as simple as your desktop or a removable USB drive, it's only a few steps to get a dictionary back into Eclipse. I'm in Eclipse and I'm going to open up my main dictionary. So right now my main dictionary is Ashley, and it currently has 59,438 entries in it. So what I'm going to do here is highlight all of the entries in my dictionary and I'm going to delete them. My dictionary is now blank. And if I close out of Eclipse and then go back into Eclipse, my dictionary remains blank. However, since I'm a good Eclipse user, I make frequent backups of my dictionary and I put them everywhere, so I know that I'll have one handy. And I'm going to go ahead and pull a backup of my dictionary right back into Eclipse, even though I've done something terrible to my dictionary. I'm going to go to Tools, Restore. I'm going to choose Browse, and then I'll hit Next. And in this window, I can choose where I would like to look for my dictionary, whether that's a removable USB drive or it's some other place like a cloud storage location. In this case, I'm going to choose Dropbox and I'll press OK. And here Eclipse will show me all of the files that are currently backed up in my Dropbox folder. And I'm going to choose just my dictionary file, since in this case, that's all I need to restore. And then I'll choose Finish. And since this dictionary has the same name as the dictionary that's already in place, which is completely blank, it's going to prompt me to overwrite that file. In this case, since I want to use the backup instead of the blank dictionary on my system, I'm going to hit Yes. It'll tell me that that operation is complete. I'll press OK. And now, if I open up my dictionary, I again have my 59,438 entries. And so it's very important that you use the backup tool to make backups of your dictionary frequently, so that no matter what happens, even if you are your own worst enemy, you'll be able to get all of your data right back. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and share the channel with someone that you think might like it.